Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're off to Germany and I'm cooking currywurst, a very popular dish in Germany, and it is very delicious. Just a few ingredients, so let's see how we do. See you in a minute. First thing to do is get the bratwurst and cut it into 10 centimetre slices, and this makes it easier to cook. Add the oil into the bowl and then put in the bratwurst, making sure that you distribute them evenly. Get a spoon and stir them so that they go even. Put the lid on it with the splatter guard on, and then we cook this. Next thing to do, take out the cooked bratwurst, put it into a dish and save it for later. Add in 150 grams of tomato sauce. Then add in some curry powder, and then after that put in some hot paprika. Put in some honey, or you can use sugar if you prefer. And then cook this. This really is a lovely tasty dish without a lot of effort. Pour the sauce over the bratwurst and that's it, it's done. Welcome back. That's it, I've done the currywurst and serving it up with some fries and some gherkins. It can also be served up with other things like flash salad as they do in Germany. You can also put a little bit of extra curry powder on it if you want to spice it up a little bit. And as I'm behind the lens today, I've got Jack to come in and give it a little taste. So here you go, Jack, tell me what you think.
Lovely. No chopsticks this time.
No chopsticks. This is authentic German food.
Mmm. Lovely.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
That's what you want after you've been down the pub on a Saturday night. Come home and cook that, or have some already done.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just like I ate in Berlin. Lovely. Really nice. Lovely
Good
stuff.
Right, well thanks all for watching, and I'll see you again for another video next week. I haven't got to thank Jack for filming this week because I did it. Anyway, see you all again soon.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.